Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I just wanted to come on really quick, kind of send some good energies. I'm going to do a little sound bowl healing for you. There's so much shifting, so much growing, so much going on right now. So it's very important to do self-care. Definitely take care of yourself. Follow your intuition. Your intuition is your higher self, your angels and guides telling you what is going on, which way you should go, and which way you should follow. Right now, negative is out there seething, trying to grasp onto anything it can. So it's very important to stand in who you are, what you believe in, and what you do or do not consent to. I do not consent to negative interference in any way, period. So it is. State that as often as you need to throughout the day. Go down to my other videos with other healings, blessings that I send you, shielding, protecting your energy always, every single day, morning and night. I love you. Thank you for joining me, and I'm going to send a little sound bowl healing to you.